Hey guys, Troy again. So, this section is about content, and content means quite a bit of things, right? That sound is actually I'll show you what that sound is. It is our after hours live chat. It's not so live right now because it's after hours, but this is what our chat engagement looks like. And we have so much reach that we have to tell people we only service Northern California. Why do we have so much reach? Because we've been blogging about artificial grass. You ready for this? For 15 years. About 15 years. Yeah, about 15 years. Crazy. And that has produced a ton of organic traffic. Benefit number one of content. So creating content. And I've got this highlighted on the screen here where it says, think of creating content in terms of top, middle, and bottom of the funnel. Remember a little bit ago in that last video, I talked about Arrogant Mary, where she was coming in, our target avatar, coming in, doing a little tire kicking on top. She's bouncing around websites. She finds a website that, I can go a little bit deeper with these guys, providing free guides, providing opt-ins, providing, hey, give me your SMS number and I'll do a follow-up with you, but I'll give you the information first. Arrogant Mary now is at the bottom of the funnel ready to make a buying decision, so she's calling you to set an appointment. That's how powerful content is, and it's been very beneficial to Heavenly Greens as well. But you've got to target that content around who your buyer is. So, for example, if you look at our Heavenly Greens blog, didn't even know we were going to show you about poop, but why poop can't damage artificial grass for dogs. Like, we're all in the artificial turf industry. We know that isn't the case. Well, Arrogant Mary may not have known, or whatever your avatar's name is, but these are blogs that are written for two different ways. A, it's designed with keyword research behind it so that we know when we write an article like this, it's actually answering these questions. And the content is relevant enough, long enough to feel as though that you're an authority in the space. Now, the other thing about content is you want to always be giving more breadcrumbs, other ways for people to dig deeper into your website. So this allows, and notice how it's still on that content as dogs. And as you look through, I remember this, I took that video. As you look through with this, maybe this person is ready to fill out a form, middle, top, middle, bottom of the funnel, ready to fill out a form in this case, they might be ready for an appointment, but if they're not, they could download our free pet case study. And here's a landing page. Here is a view of a pet owner's case study. And this is all about someone who was a pet sitter and had problems with their backyard because there were so many dogs, muddy paws. And this is valuable content. So somebody's going to fill this out, and all they have to do is fill this out and they get their information. And we're not going to reach out to them if they say no, but we've got their info. They filled out a guide. Our call center is going to call them and say, hey, do you have any questions about the guide? Would you like to set an appointment? And they're at the bottom of the funnel at that point. But we started with the top, right? Top, middle, bottom of the funnel. And then this is just other ways for us to showcase content. So we have 22 questions about installing artificial grass. That is not segmenting yet. We haven't really segmented that group. I'm kind of confusing things. Let's stick with the dogs. The dog example is great because it's not about it's not about putting green turf. It's not about sports turf. It's not about home beautification. It's about dogs. So that is a segmented user that we've put into our marketing automation, all at the beginning with content. And if we go ahead and we look at our retail store, this is Artificial Turf Express, where we just sell the turf. This is speaking to the turf installer, right? Because that's who our target audience is. Do-it-yourself guide to installing the best artificial turf on concrete. Best artificial turf on concrete is a keyword that you would go and search, and most likely we're going to do a decent job of ranking. And that's all that this content is designed to do, is continue to get your organic traffic to you by producing content that is SEO focused and driven to meet your avatar, provide top, middle, bottom of the funnel consumption, and help you get more qualified buyers as they go through the buyer's journey. Hope that made sense.